Assume that a car is going in a forward direction and you are sitting inside the car. And what if the car takes a right turn? If a car goes forward and your body and then the entire parts of the car, everything goes forward. So they are all in a state of inertia. I mean, inertia of motion and direction. What happens when you negotiate a car to the left? So I'll try to explain that to you. Suppose this is your car and the car is now turning to the left. It is just going to the left now. So when it negotiates to the left, when it changes the direction, your body continues to move forward. Your body will continue to move forward in this direction, whereas the car has changed the direction. So you feel as if you are throwing to the sides of the car. So whenever we are in a vehicle, when the vehicle turns left or right, depends on that, we will either thrown to the sides on the right or left. So that is due to inertia of direction, because when a car goes in a particular direction, your body is moving in the same direction as you're sitting in the car. Suddenly, when the car changes the direction, the lower part of the body, which is in contact with the car or the vehicle, changes the direction along with it, because that exerts a force. While the upper part, since there is no direct force on it, it continues to move in the same direction as if it was originally going. Hence, you feel as if you are throwing to the sides of the car. So when a car negotiates a turn, if you feel as if you are thrown to the sides, that is because of inertia of direction.